This is RD Sharma Solution Class 12. We are taking Chapter 16 Tangents and Normal. Exercise is 16.2. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the following curve at the indicated point x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1 at under root a comma b. This kind of question we have already seen, but since there are points given under root 2a and b, let us try it. I told you that the denominator can be eliminated to make it simpler. So let us multiply the whole equation by a square b square. When we multiply it by a square b square, this will be b square x square, negative means minus, a square y square is equal to a square b square. Now let us differentiate it. B square, x square is 2x, a square y square differentiation will be 2y dy by dx, and this one will be 0. Now we will get dy by dx, and dy by dx is nothing but the slope of the tangent. So when it goes on the right hand side, basically this b square 2x divided by a square 2y will come. You can cancel this 2 and you will get this, and as I said, x and y is already given, that is the point is already being provided. So x b square y a square, in place of x write under root 2a and y as b. Now this is the slope of the tangent. We are going to replace x by under root 2a and y by b. So under root 2a into b square, in place of y it will be b into a square. So if you want to cancel, see, a will be cancelled with a, one a will be cancelled and one b will be cancelled. You will get under root 2b by a. This is your dy by dx. This is the tangent. What will be normal? It will be negative 1 divided by the slope of the tangent. Just take this, a will go up, under root 2 will be in the denominator, and the sign will be negative. Now we already have the equation y minus means the equation which is normal equation when a point and the slope is provided. We have y minus b equals x minus under root 2a. Tangent and normal equation I am making. Y minus b is equal to, the framework will remain same. That is the x and y point remain the same, but the tangent and normal slope we are going to write differently. This is how under root 2b by a and minus a by under root 2b. Now as I said, this is just now some multiplication and some rearrangement that you are able to do. I hope that you will be able to complete it. This will be the final equation. Here also simple rearrangements will be done, nothing else. If something special would have been there, I would have been telling you all that tricks or special thing. But see, this is simply making the ax plus by equals to c form that you already know. So this is the reference solution, and if you are doing it by yourself or you are writing in your exam, this is the procedure you have to follow. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve. X is equal to theta plus sine theta, y is equal to 1 plus cos theta, where theta is equal to pi by 4. Now this is the parametric form. We need to find out dy by dx. dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Now this dx by d theta, when you differentiate it, just remember that when we do d by dx, we differentiate with respect to x. Here by theta, dx by d theta means you are differentiating with respect to theta. So theta will be 1, cos theta will be sine theta. What will be dy by d theta? It will be 1 will be 0, cos theta differentiation will be minus sine theta. And as I said, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, essentially is same as what dy by dx should be. Dy by dx will be negative sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. One step I have just saved. Okay. Now this theta is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degree, and tangent dy by dx or slope will be minus sine pi by 4 divided by 1 plus cos pi by 4. Now this sine pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 both have the value as 1 by root 2. Both have 1 by root 2 value. When you have this minus sine, I am just writing the value directly. Negative 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 2. Now this is minus 1 by root 2 divided by root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2. You can cancel this root 2. Negative 1 by root 2 plus 1 or 1 plus root. Now this can be simplified more, that is, you can rationalize it. Rationalize means you have to multiply numerator and denominator by the negative 1. The same thing which you have in the denominator, put a negative in between and just multiply numerator and denominator. We have root 2 minus 1 into minus 1. So just multiply negative. So 1 minus root 2 it will be. This will be root 2 whole square minus 1 whole square. So it will be a square minus b square, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1 only. So I am not writing 1. Finally dy by dx is 1 minus root 2. This is your dy by dx. What will be the normal equation? Means the slope of normal. Put 91 and whatever is the slope of the tangent, just take it in the denominator. Now, since the question is only asking about tangent, we will not be going for the normal. But since the question in your examination can be simply find the equation of the normal, then this is how you have to go about it. Okay, so equation of tangent and equation of normal will remain almost similar except the dy by dx, that is the slope. So y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So what will be x, because pi by 4 is already given. I'm replacing theta by pi by 4. So you have x as pi by 4 plus sine pi by 4. It will be 1 by root 2. No. It will be pi by 4 only. Sine pi by 4 will be 1 by root 2. 1 divided by root 2. And what, if you want to resolve it, you can resolve it. But my suggestion is keep it like that. Y will be 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. M is what? 1 minus root 2, that we have computed already, and x minus 1 minus this pi by 4 plus 1 by root 2. So keep it in the bracket just to tell the examiner that you know that it's negative in the front. Now you can just open this. I'm just opening the negative. So this will be the final result. I hope that this will be enough for the solution, because if you want to resolve it, you can resolve it, but there is no point, because ax plus by equals to c is the standard form. But even if you write like this is more than enough. Let me show you the actual solution or the reference so that you can just go about it if you're solving it by yourself. Find the equation of the tangent and normal. X is equal to theta plus sine theta, y is equal to 1 plus cos theta at theta by pi by 2. So we have just completed a question like this. Please remember sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. Sine pi by 2, that is sine 90 degree is 1, and cos pi by 2, cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So as I indicated you, these two values, pi by 4 earlier we have used in a previous question. Here you have to use just these values. So I'll just show you the reference, because this kind of question we have just completed. You can just follow the procedure which we follow. So this is the parametric form question. It will be quite you can say some competition will be higher, but the next question which is going to come will be easier than this, but it will be of the same type. So when I'm explaining this question, be very cautious and attentive, because next question will follow this. So we have this again as a parametric form. We have to find out dx by dt first, then dy by dt, and then we find dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this will go here, dy by dt, dx by dt, and just divide them. So x is this one, y is this one, t is half. Tangent and normal both are to be computed. Tangent I'll tell you, normal is your responsibility. I'll take you to that junction where you will be able to solve it. Okay, dx by dt, 2a square by 1 plus t square, p by q will use the quotient rule. Just remember that we are differentiating with respect to t. And finally we'll put t as half whenever we get the dy by dx. So 1 plus t square whole square, the denominator is squared. 1 plus t square will be written like that. And 2a square, this will be differentiated. 2a square, 2a, and this is t square. So we have 4at here, minus we have 2a square, and then we have 1 plus t square will be 2t. So what do you get? 4at plus 4at cube minus 4at cube divided by 1 plus t square whole square. This gets cancelled. You have 4at by 1 plus t square whole square. Alright. So this is d. Now we'll find out dy by dt. Same thing here. Quotient rule. 1 plus t square whole square will be there. 1 plus t square will be here. Differentiation of 2a t will be 3t square. So 2a into 3t square. It will be 6at square. 6at square. Then you have minus. Same thing. 1 plus t square to be differentiated here now. 2a t cube will remain like this. 1 plus t square differentiation will be 2t. So just rearrange this. 6a square plus 6at raised 4. Here you have 4a 4a into t to the power 4. So 4a t to the power 4. And this 6a t raised 4 minus 4a t raised 4 will be 2a t raised 4. So 6a square 2a t4 and divided by 1 plus t square to the power square. Alright. Now dx by dt and dy by dt. Next thing will be dy by dx. So take the dy by dt just divided by dx by dt content. So I'm just dividing it. 1 plus t square whole square will get cancelled. So this 4at will come in the denominator. What do you get? dy by dx will be equal to 6at square plus 2at4, and we have 4at in the denominator. But at t equals to half we have to find out. Just replace t by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 here, and 1 by 4 it will be 1 by 16 in this case, because I'm replacing t raised 4, 1 by 2 whole 4 divided by 4 into a into t, which is half. Now when you resolve this, the final value will be 13 by 16, and since the normal is also asked, then the slope of normal will be negative 16 by 13. How? Just take the negative one and divide it with the slope of the tangent. Tangent can be used to find out the slope of the normal. So minus 16 by 13 will be there. So as I said, I will take you to that extent where you can be finding the normal equation. The tangent equation is my responsibility. We have already found out the dy by dx, 13 by 16. So x is what? But x has to be found out at t equals to half. So x will be 2a half square by 1 plus half whole square. Y will be 2a half whole cube. This is, I'm just replacing t by half. So 1 plus half whole square. What do you get? The values which we'll get here. So I'll just final values I'm going to tell you. So x will be 2a by 5 and y will be equal to a by 5. This is the equation. So we have found out x1, y1 and the slope as well. The only thing which is remaining is to just replace this value. Y minus, if you remember, it was a by 5, m was 13 by 16, x minus this is going to be 2a by 5. So let us resolve it, and when you resolve it, the final equation is going to come as 13x minus 16y minus 2a equals 0. This is the tangent, and in the normal you have to write minus 16 by 13. So equation of the normal I am writing directly, and this is your responsibility to finally get it. It will be 16x plus 13y minus 9a is equal to 0. Normal equation. Okay, let me show you the solution reference. This is the actual solution we are talking about. Only the calculation part is there, which I hope you are quite evolved to do it all by yourself. As I said, the previous question and this question is quite somewhat equal. You have to follow the same procedure. The previous question might be complex for some people, but this is quite easy. I hope most of you will be able to complete it. The solution reference is in front of you. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the following curve at the indicated points. X is a sec t, y is b tan t at t. Let us find it out. Tangent and normal, both the dy by dx or slope, I will find out and tell you. So the equation you already know, you just have to put that because x and y is already given here. So we have x as a sec t, dx by dt will find out, it will be a sec t will be sec t tan t. Then we have y is equal to b tan t, dy by dt is equal to b. Differentiation of tan t will be sec square t. Now dy by dx we have to compute. Dy by dx will be equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Just take this and put it in the denominator. I'm just making it shorter. So one sec you can cancel. B sec t divided by a tan t will be the differentiation. That is dy by dt. dy by dx. Now sec is 1 by cos, tan is 1 by sine by cos, cos gets cancelled, 1 by sine is cosec. You can always write it as b by a cosec t. Now x is y is already given, so we can directly jump into the equation. There is no value of t given here, so we will formulate the equation with reference to t only. And what is the normal equation? There is the equation where the points are given and the slope is given. It will be y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. This is the dy by dx of tangent. Let me tell you, what is the normal dy by dx? It will be minus 1 divided by b by a cosec t. So it will be, when you put this in the denominator, it will be minus a by b, and cosec t is in the denominator goes up and it will form sine t. Okay, this is x1, this is y1. So we have y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So we have y as b tan t, m is b by a cosec t. This is x minus a sec t. So we will solve it, and as I said that the other normal equation is simply same. In place of b by a cosec t, you have to replace it by negative a by b sin t. Okay, right? So we have y minus b sin t divided by cos t equals b by a 1 by sin t and x minus a sec t. I am writing tan t as sin by cos t, cosec as 1 by sin and sec y as 1 by cos t. So let us take the LCM now. On the left hand side, y cos t minus b sin t it will be. Cos t will be in the denominator. This will be b by a 1 by sin t, and this is x cos t minus a divided by cos t. You can cancel this cos t in the denominator. Since we have a sin t in the denominator of the right hand side, let us cross multiply. So you have to multiply a sin t by all this. So a y sin t cos t it will be. Now we have to multiply a sin t by b sin t. It will be a b sin square t. On the right hand side, we have multiply this b inside. bx cos t minus ab or ba. Alright. Now let me tell you, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta. So this AB, if you take common, you can get 1 minus sin square theta. That can be written as sin square theta. That is the only simplification we get here. Otherwise, there is no other thing. So I am taking the AB content on one side, the other on the other side. So you can just shift these. This is AY. I am taking AY sin t cos t on the other side. So it will be negative AY sin t cos t plus BX cos t. This is AB minus AB sin square t. Now you can take this AB outside 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, as I just suggested, is cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So you can write it as AB cos square t. Here you can write BX cos t minus AY sin t cos t. Now just differentiate whole by cos square. So when you divide, cos square will be AB here cos sin t cos sin by cos sin into cos by cos square. So you will get sin by cos, that is 10. So you can directly write it as tan t. Again cos t by cos square t. 1 cos gets cancelled, 1 by cos is sec. You can write it as bx sec t. So this is the equation of the tangent. How about normal? Same thing you have to do, just replace this by this. Minus a by b sin t, and same procedure you have to adopt. Let me write the final equation just for your reference. It will be ax cos t plus by cot t is equal to a square plus b square. So this is the equation of the normal. Let me show you the reference here. This reference you can follow. All the content which you have to write is your responsibility. Logic is my responsibility. This question we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.